We can change the body at that cellular level with what we're thinking. I know you guys know this and you've heard this, but when it comes to trying to find, is my pain neuroplastic? What I'm feeling, is it something that I've created because of a conditioned response in my past? Or do I actually have a problem? And when you've been and you've had everything checked and you know you're absolutely 100% healthy, then you know that it is neuroplastic. And the exciting thing about that is, of course, there's something we can do about that. That's what my 10-week course is all about, taking you through step by step. This is how we get back to the normal that we used to have, the normal that you remember where you felt great. Because if you were doing these things to yourself unconsciously, you don't know, it's unconscious, and it's creating havoc in your body. Our gut, mainly our gut,